Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got Santa Fe 2009 2.7 liter. Got 300,076 kilometers. So right now customer complained with the check engine light. Just move this. Yeah, the check engine light is on. And we'll just scan for codes and see what we have. So right now the car is idling. I feel like it's misfiring or something. So I don't know if it's a misfire code. We'll see. Okay, we get a Evap system, very small leak active. Okay, let's see our history. Battery low voltage. Okay, that's not our concern right now. I'm just gonna go to our OBD and see what's going on. I'm gonna go to our freeze frame and see what we have here. So we got P0456. Okay, calculated. Short term, long term -31. So engine RPM at 800, so it's just idling. Okay, now we're gonna go to our monitoring test results, and then I'm just gonna go to our Evap system here, monitor. Let's just see here the, okay, it says here fail, 0.040. Say pass. So this is a small leak. How about the purge flow? It's all pass. Okay, now I'm gonna just quickly check our current data. Just want to make sure that our sensor are working fine, because it's a small leak. It could be our purge valve is stuck open, right? So far everything is reading good. So now what we're gonna do is, of course, we're gonna do a visual inspection. Maybe we'll find it right away, and if not, we're gonna do a smoke test. So we're just gonna do some visual inspection. I think our purge valve is at the back, if I'm not mistaken. Now let me remove this cover. Let's see. Okay, so where's the purge valve? So what I know, the purge valve is at the back. Okay, so it's here. Let me move this. Zoom. Okay, that's our purge valve. So in order to do a smoke test, I have to access that, remove that lower hose, and we can do our smoke test. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab our smoke machine and let's soak it up. right now we're underneath the car. As you can see, I don't know if you saw my previous video that I did a Evap Litre on a Sorrento. We have the same location. This is our charcoal canister here. So what we're gonna do is same thing. We're gonna look for where's our vent valve, and then we're gonna seal that, and so that we know our system is sealed and we can look for the leaks. But for the meantime, I just let it flow for now, and then let's just see if we have some leaks here. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this trim piece here, and then we're gonna seal the system. Okay, I just turned on our smoke machine again, and let's see if this time I did, it will hold the system. We'll just wait until if we see anything. If we don't see anything on this side here, we're gonna go to our fuel tank area. Maybe the gasket there is worn or something like that. So okay, so I don't see anything in this area here, so I just look up on our fuel tank, especially on the sides. So I'm just gonna go in here, this I'm just gonna adjust the camera. So this is our right side of the fuel tank. I see some a little bit of smoke on this area, so I'm just gonna zoom in and see if we can capture in the camera. I'm gonna double check our machine if it's still on. Yeah, the machine is still on. Oh man, how come I didn't see that again? If we don't see... Okay, so I really don't see anything right now underneath. So we're just gonna lower the car. We're gonna go to our rear seats and access our fuel pump there. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just removed all our seats at the back, and I was just checking this earlier, and I can see a little bit on that area some smoke coming out, but we'll check it again. Let's see on the camera if it will show. So I'm just gonna turn on our smoke machine again. Turn this light on. So I can see smoke right now. I don't know if it will pick up on the camera. Yeah, it's picking up on the camera. And the way it's showing, it's coming on this area here, because I was thinking if it's coming from the maybe in the middle part of the fuel tank, it should the flow of the smoke will be towards on the camera or towards me. But as I can see on the smoke, it's away. It's pushing away, going there in that area. So okay, let's see. So right now I'm just using a UV light. They said you can also use a laser pointer. It will help see where the smoke is coming from. So right now I can see some smoke. It's picking up on the camera. Yeah, that's coming up from there. So I'm confident that it's coming on this area. Most likely this guy needs a new gasket. So I'm gonna call and tell them that it needs a gasket on this one. And also the lock ring on the fuel tank. We have to replace that because as you can see it's all rusted. So I'm just gonna so that's it, guys. I think I'm just gonna, for sure they're gonna go ahead with this one because they just sold this from the used car, not from Hyundai but from another dealer. So let's wait for the new gasket and the lock ring.